they die, we have to do a proper burial.
What do you mean?
A proper burial. Like we bury them.
Yeah?
Yeah, and with gravestones. To remember their name of happiness. Like shade can't be always be evil name. It could be it could mean what could it mean? What could it mean? The shading of the world, or what was it? The shading of a maple tree.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then sky can always just mean sky. Shiver can always mean like cold. Fancy. What was that word that also means gallons?
I don't know why Fancy tries to pull off the molding.
I think she's trying to. She thinks she can climb it.
She's nibbling on it.
Fancy. No. 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 Is she still trying to nibble on it?
Hmm?
She's still trying to nibble on it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I stop her? Fancy. Fancy. Fancy.
This place needs lights.
Yeah, let me go tell him right.
It didn't help.
I know it will.
And you see the cage is empty. They're not in it.
Oh, Mom, look at this cage.
They are all on the floor
Mom, you
by
see
the
this?
window.
Oh, come look at this cage. Huh? Look at this. In 3 days, the birds dirtied this. Where are the birdies? Oh yeah. For some reason, Fancy trying to pull off the mold thing.
What you doing, Clara? What you got here?
Ginger.
Ginger. Okay.
I'm trying to figure out how to pick up shade. No shivering.
They are looking up. Oh, nice. We have bigger, better light. Thank you. Wow. They're cute. And they're all curious and stuff.
They're all look.
And they look paranoid, don't they?
Yeah. But you can also tell Shiver's kind of scared. Because he's cornered.
Shiver is not scared. Shiver is just paranoid. Doesn't like people near them, near him. That's all.
No, like, I'm not scared as in he doesn't know what's going on. Kind of scared.
He's just paranoid. Okay, to the left is Shiver, the blue with the yellow face.
Mm-hmm.
And the blue with the white face looking down is Kai. The yellow with the black back wings is Fancy, looking to nibble on the black molding. And then the yellow in the back is Tweety. And then this one here,
The twins.
the one in the front, the green is the two greens up front here. The one to my right is Shader baby, and then the one in front of Shader, now it's the one that is the most forward, is Ginger. There was a Summer, but Summer died, and then we replaced Summer by Ginger. We have 3 males and 3 females. The 2 yellows are females. And then the white face blue, the blue with the white face is female. And then the 2 greens are males. And then the blue with the yellow face is male. So we have equal amount of each sex. We have 3 males and 3 females.
Which means it could be 18 babies.
They're very healthy and very happy. Really let them out to be free and feel the freedom of birds.
It's like the heat.
They're full of love.